This is Charlotte with the Wooden Wick Co. Today on Maker's Moments, I'm going to be teaching you how to measure candle wax. Measuring candle wax is easy but important. If you're looking to understand how much wax you need to make a certain amount of candles, this is the video for you. So, first you need to start out with knowing how much wax your vessel will hold. For example, if your vessel has an 8-ounce fill and you'd like to make 4 candles, you're going to need 32 ounces of total liquid to fill them. That includes your wax and any liquid that you'll add for your fragrance. Today, I'll specifically be showing you how to measure your candle wax and sharing how to measure your fragrance in another video. So, start by getting yourself some wax. Today, I'm using the virgin coconut soy from the Wooden Wick Co. This wax is creamy, smooth, and has excellent glass adhesion, as well as amazing hot and cold throw. Open up your box of wax and use a wax cutter or some other sort of cutting utensil like a knife and simply slice into your wax. This is a very smooth, creamy wax, so it's easy to cut into with not a lot of effort. Once you have it cut up into small chunks, now we can turn on our scale and begin weighing the wax. Place your pouring pitcher onto the scale and then press the tare button on your scale. That's gonna zero out the weight of your pitcher. Make sure that your scale is in ounces. And then let's say today we're going to be making 4 8-ounce candles, as I used in the example before, and we're going to use 10% fragrance load, which means we're going to use about 3.2 ounces of fragrance oil, and we're going to need roughly between 28 and 29 ounces of wax. So place your chunks of wax into your pitcher until you reach the total desired weight. And we measure our candle wax by weight because this is going to give you the most consistent and accurate representation of how many fluid ounces you'll need. Okay, beautiful. So now I have 29 ounces of wax in my pouring pitcher and it is ready to be melted. So if you guys are looking for instructions on how to melt your candle wax and how to make your candle, tune into our video on how to make a wooden wick candle. Thanks so much for watching today. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for all the latest makers, tips, and tricks. Happy making!